Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the DrawPixel API in Raylib. Let's go find the cheat sheet. Here it is. Here's the cheat sheet. So this is a bit small. We can make it a bit bigger. Yeah, it's very nice. So we're going to look at this one. Let's try it out. It has a position X, position Y, and a color. Seems pretty simple. So I've got a little template here, and we'll go DrawPixel. There you are. 100, 100, and then maybe color. No, let's just say white. And then we'll run it. Maybe you can see, it's a bit hard to see, but there's a little pixel here. So we can make that a little bit more visible by, instead of drawing a pixel, we can draw a line. And we can do this like X. And oh, this should be X. And this should be X. And now we have a line. Pretty cool. If we want to make a square, minus y plus plus. We can do this. Yeah. Cool. And we can even make this square red instead. Nice. And there you have it. DrawPixel. So then under DrawPixel, there's another one called DrawPixelV. And instead of a pause X and a pause Y, it takes a vector 2. So really, that's very similar. It's just you pass in different parameters. So you could do this instead. Vector 2 X, Y. And I think... I don't know if that works. Oh, yeah. You need to convert these into floats. Because vector 2 takes floats instead of ints. It still doesn't work. Oh, yeah, we need to call this vector 2. DrawPixelV. Yeah, okay, that works. And I wonder, actually, do you need to convert these to floats, or can it figure it out itself? Oh, okay, so you don't need to convert them to floats. It's pretty smart. And that is the way you do the DrawPixel.